How to contact your Doordash driver after ordering. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can contact Doordash driver after ordering. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in via the website that is doordash.com, or you could also log in via the application. So once you're logged into your account, select your current order. For that, you have to head over to your order section. Tap on the three line. If you're on the website, go to your order section. So once you're under your orders, you have to tap on the order that you want to check. After that, under your order, search for contact or help button. Look for the contact button which might say call dasher, message dasher, or contact driver depending upon your reason. Tap on that button and now you can either call or send a message directly to your DoorDash driver. Use this to give special instructions or ask about your delivery status. That's it. That's how you can stay connected with your DoorDash driver. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.